Hi everyone, this is Pavan from Informatica Support. In this video, we will discuss about how to collect HAR logs on a web browser to debug UI related issues specific to IICS. In this video, we will talk about what are HAR logs, scenarios where the HAR logs can be useful, and how to collect the HAR logs. HAR logs are nothing but logs from web browser which will give us the information about the communication between the web browser and the website. The HAR log shows us the sequence of redirects and the sequence of things that happen during any transaction between the web browser and the website. And it is also an excellent tool for debugging issues related to the web browser as it can identify where things can get stuck. There are few scenarios where we need to collect the HAR logs to troubleshoot certain issues. Given here are few of the scenarios, such as IICS UI slowness, unable to load any asset in the UI, and when you want to compare the UI performance from one browser to another browser or from one machine to other machine. And if you face any errors or issues in the UI when you're trying to select any particular asset or trying to perform any particular action. So I will quickly show you how to collect these HAR logs on the Chrome browser. So currently I am logged into my IICS and have opened this mapping. Assume that I am facing an issue where I am not able to select this web service or I am not able to open any of these properties for this particular web service. So in such cases, I would need to collect the HAR logs to inspect where things are going wrong or where things are getting stuck. So to collect the HAR logs, first thing we need to do is to open the browser web tools. So to open the browser web tools, there are two ways. One way is to just right click anywhere on the page and click on inspect, which will open the browser web tools. And the other way is to just click on these three dots on the top right corner of the browser and click on more tools and go to developer tools, which will again open me my web tools here. So in this browser web tools, to collect the HAR logs, you need to go to this particular network tab. And once this particular page opens, here is where you will be seeing all the request and response or the request calls that goes to when you click on any kind of an asset or any operation that you do on the UI. So once you click on the network tab, enable this preserve log and enable this disable cache property. And once you enable it, this is the button to start the recording. So currently it is black, which means it is not yet recording. So once I start recording, it will turn to green. And then once you start recording it, just reproduce the issue that you're facing. So as the example I have taken involves the web service is having some issue, I will just go ahead and click on this particular web service. So whenever I click on this any action or any particular property here, I will be seeing all the calls that are logged here. What are the API calls that have went through when I performed this action and everything. I can see all the metadata that is received here as such. So once I reproduce the issue, what all we need to do to save this HAR log is to just go to this button where you can export the HAR, and you need to just save this particular file as with the .har extension to your file, which will save all the calls or all these API calls that have gone through the website into your local machine. So once you do this, you can just provide the HAR log to the particular GCS ticket or the support representative for them to analyze the issue and to get back. So including a HAR file in your support request can help speed up the troubleshooting process. There is a KB article as well which I have attached for your reference where you can find the detailed steps to collect these HAR logs. Thank you.